As an administrator, you can set your domain settings such that every time a document is submitted, you can assign a number format to follow your company's document policy. To do this, navigate to the admin settings and then select Doc Number Policy in the following submenu. In this page, you can change your document number policy to fit your company's standards. Below, you will find parameters that you can use in your document, and you can read what type of information they will provide. The Reset button allows you to use the default policy for your documents. Since I want to create my own doc number policy, I will clear the default one and follow the code that my company uses for documents, which is company name dash team name, and then we will create today's date by having this month, today, and this year. When you are happy with your document number policy, click Save. Now every time you submit a document, the following string will be attached to the document title.